Our active weather continues. Still a couple of slippery spots a possibility going into the afternoon as temperatures hover around just above or just below 32 degrees. Assume if you are traveling around, any sort of drizzle that we have out there could freeze on some untreated surfaces this afternoon. Winter weather advisory going through early to mid-afternoon. From there will still be the chance of some mixing up north as showers kick in overnight tonight. There will be some pockets of steadier rainfall around tomorrow morning, and some of that could be heavy during the afternoon with the potential for some gusty winds late in the day with a front making its way through. Will make for low visibility tomorrow and ponding on area roadways with the potential of 1 to 2+ inches of rain. So for the afternoon, again, some patchy drizzle in spots, a few showers this evening, but nothing heavy. And then it turns steady overnight and to start the day tomorrow as that area of low pressure gets going to our south. From there will be some pockets of heavier rainfall tomorrow afternoon. Would not be surprised to have a couple of wind gusts over 40 miles an hour closer to the coastline, somewhere between 4 and 8 p.m. as the front makes its way through. Quick clearing behind that, but not after 1 to 2+ inches of rainfall is going to be a possibility out of this system. And there could even be some locally higher amounts where some of those heavier downpours do start to set up. There is a look at the general expectation out of this. Anywhere from around an inch to maybe 2.5 inches of rainfall, and a lot of that falling just during the daylight hours and into Wednesday evening. Much cooler air building in, heading toward the weekend.